everybody, this is your favorite realtor Norm, and I wanted to share with you something new that you're going to be seeing as you go through new homes, see new construction, and it's this. You probably all know about kitchen islands. They often had outlets kind of in the side here, or where you could plug in something or even maybe charge something. But all that as of 2025 has changed. The new code says you can no longer have kitchen outlets that are below the countertop level. So you're going to start to see big changes just in the way life functions. And what's happened is now one of these new options are required, where it's kind of towards the middle in this back or a pop-up scenario, or where the electrical is hardwired underneath and maybe accessed via a drawer. You're going to start to see a lot of different setups for kitchen islands as new constructions come online or fresh remodels. Here's an option where the phone or something's charging in a drawer. But yeah, big changes, and any questions, concern about real estate, hit me up. Definitely like, subscribe, and share. As always, I appreciate you